Okay, so 10 minutes ago, this tool did not exist, and I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to create beautiful artifacts for your community. Hi, I'm Angelina, and I help entrepreneurs utilize AI in their small businesses so that they can have easier workflows and use AI in a more productive way. Three things you'll need. One, a free Claude account. Second, we'll be working inside the browser. And then third, have a topic or something that you'd like to create for your clients. Okay, come on over and I'll show you how. So the first thing you'll want to do is come to your settings and go to the capabilities section and make sure right here where it says artifacts, make sure that that's turned on. And then all you have to do is have your concept. So I had just a PDF, a doc that had some information about starting a school community with some foundations, content, and classroom. You get the idea. So that was there. Once you have your idea of what you want to build, I just came over to Claude and I gave it that Google Doc and I said, okay, I want to create an interactive checklist that a user can literally take and get started with their community. I want to add a section at the beginning of why school. I want it to build upon the concept that the old traditional ways of creating online courses is changing. I wanted to make sure that it talks about why school's so effective for this. I gave it the document. And then it said, okay, now I'm going to build this. It's going to be a polished, interactive HTML ebook with your colors. So I already have Claude programmed with my colors and the fonts that I like. And then it created the ebook. And the first iteration that it created, I knew that I wanted to add a few things to it. So I wanted to make this interactive. You could see how beautiful just in one go that is because it knows my brand and my colors. And so then it broke it down into chapters and it even made little images. It made it just much prettier. It even included a checklist so that people can check off once they do a particular task. And so if there's any changes that you want to make, you just talk to it back and forth and say, when a user clicks here, we want it to go to this section of the guide. And so once you have it exactly how you want it, it'll create this artifact. Okay, so right here, when I click here, you'll see there's a drop down and I can download it as HTML, add it to a project, or publish the artifact. So when I click publish, it's going to ask me if I want to do that, and then it will create a link. And what's amazing about this is the link that you can then share with your audience. And so you can use it as a lead magnet. You can have them enter their email to get it. So here is this beautiful artifact that was created for me. So like, why would they want to join school? And what I was able to do is also embed my affiliate link to start school. So lots of different amazing things that you can do with artifacts. I also want to show you in our school community that there's an entire section in the classroom that is about growing with Claude Artifacts. And this is a really great way to get some pre-made templates that you can use. So like this is a cheat sheet, a checklist, a mini course, a workbook, a companion guide, and it tells you exactly, you can see the example. And if you download this, all you have to do is drop it into Claude and tell it to make a workbook just like this. So I hope you'll join us over on Skool.